The food scene out here in London has changed dramatically over the last 10 years. There's no more looking out for authentic Indian food places or any of that. There's plenty of options. You're spoiled for choice out here in London. Hi, I'm Philip Cherukura. I'm a level 6 local guide in London. Tonight we're going to check out a couple of Indian restaurants on the Indian Taste Tour. We're at Calcutta Street and I'm going to try some really good Bengali food.
This is the only restaurant that does Calcutta food in the whole of the Western market. This one's a tribute to my family's living room. It's a little restaurant tucked away. You come in and it's just like living room vibe. You've ordered the crab?
I'm going to dig in with my hands.
Yes, please. That's what I'm going to do.
That's how I sort of grew up with.
Should I help you?
Yeah, if you don't mind.
There we go.
The first thing that hits you is the tamarind, obviously. And then the crunchiness is a nice texture in your mouth.
People have this idea that Indian food is just this lump of food. But no, there are a lot of intricacy, delicate things, ingredients like melon seeds, cashews, all these things which we use.
I'm going to have one more. Because it's so good.
No, you can't just have one.
You can't just have one. We're at the Dum Biryani house in Soho and we're going to try some of their beautiful cocktails and some of their Dum Biryani, which is what they're known for. So they have a cocktail here with Old Monk rum, that and a bit of lime and almond syrup and stuff. It's a really good cocktail and I recommend it. The drinks here, they've all got Indian flavors fused to it. The gin that they use here is the Offer gin, which is very spiced, flavors of pepper and cardamom in it. Magic every single time. This restaurant takes us a little further down the Indian subcontinent in terms of cuisine. The executive chef here has done this French twist to how traditional dum is. As you can see, the dum on top here is very French pastry-like. So what happens is they put the pastry on top, they layer meat and rice, and they steam cook everything. That's the specialty of Dum Biryani. If you go to south of India, this is one of the traditional styles of cooking biryanis. And I can't wait to dig in. It's absolutely fabulous. It's perfect. This place always goes on the top 5 restaurants that I tell people who visit London. So cheers. I'm going to enjoy my food and this amazing drink.